Hi friends, very good morning all of you. So I am here today with a burning topic. Every student is asking me, Pavan sir, do you think May 2021 CA exams will be postponed because of this COVID? Well, as such, we do not have answer in our hand because answer will come to know only when ICI releases a notification. Till that, whatever we are discussing, it is only rumors and it is only our opinions. Having said that, I have come with some facts. First thing is, yesterday, if you see the number of COVID cases that are registered in India, were like the number is 2,80,000 approx. 2,80,000. Do you remember when the first lockdown happened 1 year back, way back in 2020 March, when we were discussing about the lockdown? It was not even half of the cases now or quarter of the cases now. That time when we got 60,000 cases in India, 70,000 cases in India, 1 lakh when we touched, we are like, oh my god, 1 lakh cases in India. But we are taking it so light now because we are living in this for the last 1.5 years and we are vexed up, frustrated, depressed, and we do not want to take it so serious. So by holding out based on the human mentality, what happened is, chaliya. So we are not taking it serious. Having said that, just imagine 1 month back, the number of cases were 20,000, 30,000, and within 1 month, the cases rose to 2.7 lakhs. And there are international studies and estimations. They are saying that in India, number of cases will touch 4 lakhs within 1 2 weeks. Vaccination drive is going on. They'll give vaccine to the people, and yesterday evening central government announced that even for 18 and above people, vaccination drive is open and they are giving it to private hospitals also. State governments are allowed to purchase from manufacturers directly. So pharma companies, yesterday if you see, the stock market is in doldrums and crumbling down, bleeding, but pharma company stocks are earning like anything. Okay, and the banking stocks, if you see, they are falling like hell. Last 2 3 trading sessions, if you see, Sensex 1,500, 2,000 down, Nifty 300, 400, 500 down. So it says, it is giving you a hint that overall, the stage we are living in is not, what we say, comfortable or healthy, or we are not living normally. We are at risk. So point number one, if you look at all these situations, should there be a lockdown? The answer is yes. Should there be a lockdown? The answer is 100% yes. But will central government come up with lockdown? The answer is no. They cannot do that. They cannot afford the risk of lockdown. Again, you call it for the sake of economy, you call it for the sake of GDP, you call it for political reasons, you call it for business reasons. Economy, will not announce, the country will not announce lockdown. That is the reason the Prime Minister in the meeting with all the chief ministers said, you need to take a call. Then yesterday, the first state to come with severe restrictions is Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal ji. He is not a politician by blood. He is not a politician. Okay, he's a bureaucrat. So for him, maybe I'm not belonging to any political party. Okay, maybe for him, he thought human lives are more important than economy, and he said, boss, these are the rules. Enough. Then all the other states started coming with containment zones. Yesterday, have you seen containment zones are released? That means from one zone to another zone, you cannot go. And this aviation, for flights, they have given SOPs. For trains, they have given SOPs. Will they cancel trains and flights? God only knows. But you will not come to know the heat because it is not done at country level, but everything is done at state level. Everything is done at state level. State level, if you see any state and every state, half of the states in India, chief ministers are COVID positive. Do you know that? Half of the chief ministers are COVID positive. I'm serious. I'm not joking. Maybe half is exaggerated, but there are many CMs in India now who are COVID positive. And imagine those who work out like hell, having lot of immunity and 24/7 workaholic, having very good diet habits, like Akshay Kumar, Alia Bhatt kind of people, if they are COVID positive, and if a person like Sachin Tendulkar, who has lived his whole life, in the grounds with cricket and gymming and all, normal people like you and I, what is the immunity we have in our body? And one side it is COVID, second side it is the cost of treatments. You cannot even imagine, if you need to go for a quarantine or any ICU bed with ventilation, oxygen supply is not available, beds are not available. And you know, unfortunate thing in India is, maybe in India or in any other country this happens, I don't know, what happens is political blame game. So one party will blame the other party will blame the other party. So in Maharashtra they are saying prime minister is not responding, we need oxygen. Okay, because they belong to two different political parties and all, they start. But by at the end of the day, what about common man? What about the students? 10th class exams you cancelled, 11th exams you cancelled, schools you cancelled. What about 12th class? We don't know. Okay, and JEE cancelled the examinations. So those students who are following this news, they will ask one thing: Pawan sir, every bloody exam is getting cancelled, postponed. What about ICAI? Again, I am telling you, recollect my videos 6 months back, 1 year back also, when we were having this kind of situation in the environment. I have told you the same thing. Please do not, get trapped in these gossips. There are so many Telegram pages, there are Telegram channels, there are so many pages in Instagram, there are so many lecturers who are YouTubers, famous big names and all are also there. So listen, if someone is saying I am speaking with ICAI officials, exams will be postponed, that is a fluent shit. Any person, any lecturer, anyone who's saying I am speaking with central council members of ICAI, this will happen, that will happen, that is fluent shit. I am a chartered accountant for 15 years. Okay, but I tell you, no person, including council members, they do not have first-hand information. All these are gossips only. Now I'll tell you my personal opinion. My personal opinion is, it is, again I'm telling you, it is only opinion. I do not have any basis for this. I feel ICAI will postpone, or rather should postpone the exams. Having said that, who are we to decide what ICAI will do? My gut feeling says, my common sense says, looking at the multiplication that they call geometric progression into like that. Did you observe last 10 days how the cases are growing? 1 lakh, 1,20,000, 1,50,000, 1,80,000, 2 lakhs, 2,20,000, 2,40,000, 2,80,000. Then one category of people are criticizing, another category of people, one community criticizing another community. One person will say it is because of your Kumbh, it is because of your Ramjan, it is because of your community and all. Boss, this is shit, okay? This virus is not created by any of the community. Everybody is suffering, everybody is crying. So this belief system, this religious thinking and the blaming the other person, other political party, it is good for nothing. That will not save us. And I really appreciate Rahul Gandhi ji for cancelling his what we call political rallies and all, in the name of, because he said in the current situation I don't think it is appropriate. So he is a sensible guy in this sense. So those who criticize him saying pappu and all, today it is an eye opener that maybe he started thinking beyond politics. And some people will say, sir, that is a PR stunt, sir. His strategist might have told to get more image, please do this and all. Boss, criticism also should have a level, okay? Then one of my friends called me and asking, hey, Akshay Kumar is giving advertisement for Chyawanprash. They said, Chyawanprash, if you have COVID, will not come. That guy itself is in hospital. So what should I do? Boss, there is a saying in Telugu which says, a female is asking, if my husband is a doctor, do you think I will not become widower? In Telugu they say, na mogudu doctor aithe nenu vedavavana. So if my husband is doctor, will I not become widower? Doctors also will die, no? So you cannot really say these category of people are more prone to COVID and all. Previously you used to say people with diabetes, people with this kind of asthma, or now it is hitting everyone. Karthik Aaryan, Alia Bhatt kind of people who work out like hell. Have you seen how you see their gymming procedures and all, their day workout patterns? how flexible the people are. If they are attracted by COVID, who are you and I? Please be very safe. Now I am telling you, political shit happens, religious people will criticize one on the other, people who are YouTubers will come up with their own ideas and all, and a common man who's not fit for anything will give suggestions to PM, CM and all. Now stock markets will start falling, they already started. Industries will get the hit. Again, this laborer and all might lose their jobs. All the companies, after this government suggestions, they announced. Even my friend called me yesterday and said that up to July 31st, he's a software engineer, his company released, HR released one mail to all the employees. They said that up to July 31st, no office, work from home. So what all these things are telling us? There might be a situation where ICI will come up with a notification that the exams are postponed. Or do you remember there is one more weapon? What is the weapon? Opt out. They open opt out window. If you want to opt out, you opt out at your risk. Then containment zones will come again. Now you're like, oh, Pawan sir, what to do? You won't believe I am getting more than 100 WhatsApp messages a day, more than 100 about the same thing. Pawan sir, do you think exams will happen? Pawan sir, do you think ICI will postpone? Boss, we do not know. Only God knows, only ICI knows what will happen. But I will tell you personally two things. One, stay safe, because we are not safe as such. We did not come out of this pandemic yet. Still so much of nonsense is going to happen, and it is rightly said, some of the people are putting in their statuses the number of people died, 10,000 people died, 8,000 people died. They are numbers. Till you or your relatives or your friends or your kith and kin comes in that, when they come in that, it's not just a number, then imagine the loss. So whatever the precautionary things we can do, like taking the steam, having hot water, all these kind of things. Now even you go to US, UK also, doctors are saying these things only. Or maybe if you are more cautious, you can consume that tablets and all. You can take the tablets, zinc, D vitamin, C vitamin, this kind of tablets. Okay, do workout, do meditation. Pawan sir, if I do all these things, will I not be affected? I don't know. But at least human effort, we are trying to protect ourselves. Don't go just like this, don't roam on the roads. So be little safe, take care of your family. Coming to this examination, friend, I remember when I was in 10th class, I was writing 10th class examinations. Last exam is social. Before last exam, one political minister, I think I do not remember exactly because it was way long back. Some politician died in state level or central level also, I do not remember. Who died also, I do not remember. So they gave 2 days leave. So the exam which is supposed to happen today did not happen today, did not happen tomorrow, did not happen day after tomorrow, and the next day exam happened. So in 10th class, we used to have 11 papers, okay? So in 11 papers, 10 papers exams we have written. Just one to go. Last one. And that is social studies. I personally am telling you, I relaxed to a level, oh, thank God. All our friends went to play cricket. When the results came, the lowest mark we got is in social. Not only me, all the friends, all of my friends, or maybe probably everybody got less marks in social. Now if you say that SSLC board or CBSE board, whoever evaluated paper, they are crooked because 2 more days are there, they did a tough evaluation and all. This is one way of criticizing. This is just like, throwing mud on the face of the other. But if you reconcile what actually happened, we people, our, that burning heat, burning desire, passion in the stomach has come down, cooled down. We stopped studying. We stopped maintaining that, zeal and enthusiasm required to write the exam. We are not exam ready. After relaxing for 1-2 days, when you open the book, cannot happen. After not going to gym for 1 week, again you go on 8th day. If you used to lift 40 kgs, you can't lift 10 kgs also properly. So it is all about flow. It is all about flow. Now what I'm saying is, even if ICI postpones the exam also, if you relax down, beta, zor se lagega, I'm telling you. You will get a hit, and that too a very bad slap, okay? As a student, what we have to do is, one, prepare for May exams, assuming that, underline, inherent risk, they say no. Assuming that there will be no postponement. Do not listen to any news. All these, people who are running this television, this Telegram channels and Instagram pages, do you think they are ICI people? Even if you come across ICI official page also, there are 100 pages, fake pages in the name of ICI official. Never, unless a notification is released in icai.org website. Till the time, you be with the mindset that, assume that there will be no postponement. Having said that, as a human being, even I hope ICI will postpone the exams. I hope. Do I have the information? I don't know. I hope. Even if postponement notification comes also, don't do the mistake what we have done before social examinations. Don't get relaxed. Still, you are a student. A slave is a slave on Sunday also. A slave is a slave on Sunday also. But this slave, I'm telling you, you will be slave only for small part of your life. After that, you will be CFO of a company. This is what my dad told me. 4 years, be the slave. After that, you will become officer. So I'm telling you, don't listen to any shit. If you put TV channel for 1 hour, you feel like committing suicide also. That much, biased or that much scary the news is. So don't do that mistake. Okay, if you look at social media and all these criticisms, blame game, throwing the mud on the others. Boss, you are a student. No political game, no religious games, nothing. What you need to do is sit and study. So what is the rule I used to tell? In every class I tell this rule. What is the secret to pass CA? Sit like a rock. Work like a clock. Till the battery is over. One day battery will be over and you will be thrown. But that still has 60-70 years more. So now what is the rule? Sit like a rock. Work like a clock. So continue your preparation. Don't be scared, but please take care of your family. In my previous videos, I told elders and the kids, infants and all should be more careful. Please take care of them. Now there is nothing like that. Now Corona has become literally merciless, ruthless, heartless. So anyone and everyone, whether you are in 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, so no difference at all. So please be careful. Please stay at home. The government might not announce a lockdown, but that doesn't mean there is a positive situation outside. Even if government doesn't announce any lockdown also, stay at home. Unless it is, bare necessity, don't go out. Stay at home, relax, have some hobbies, watch movies, listen to music, do some exercise and all, yoga, meditation if you can do. And at the end of the day, don't give up studies. In the hope of postponement, or even if postponement comes, please sit and study. Okay, so may God remove all this nonsense from the world, this COVID and all soon, and may this vaccine comes very soon to the common man of all ages, and may it work well. Okay, so don't pause your preparation, continue. All the best. God bless you.